So today we are creating a PCR. We will understand one PCR where I have written one logic to how to count the number of days employee present. So basically, it is used for like basically to do the proration calculation for the employee. So for example, here there is a operation vast, and under that we have a operand which we are using as PR as SNT. Basically, this is used to check whether the employee is present at work or not. So under this, we have right to condition Y or N. And under Y, and basically, if the employee is present, we will be increasing the count for the employee, and we will be adding that balance to the through to the time type Z902, and this is add to monthly balance. So basically, it will get stored into the Salado table. Okay. So similarly, if the employee is present, it will the count of HRS will get increased. And since when we will be running the tabulation for a month, we will be running it for 30 days. And on those 30 days, whenever the employee is present, the count will get increased. So on the first day, employee count will get increased on one. On the 15th day, if employee has not taken any unpaid leave, then uh, the count will be same as 15. Otherwise, it will there will be a difference in on the day and the number of days present. So this is the first condition, and under that, if the employee is not present, then we will check whether the employee work schedule is free or not. So if the employee work schedule is free on that day, when the planned hour TWS is equal to 0, then in that case we will. So if the employee work schedule and having the DWS equal to 0, then also in that case the employee count will get increased. So here we have not written any condition if the employee is on a absence day or whenever the DW is not equal to 0. So in those cases, this PCR will get go into the leave condition, and for that day, the count will not get increased. So for example, if there is a like we have run the tabulation for 30 days, and if this PCR encounter any absence or any work schedule where DWS hours are not equal to 0, and suppose we have encounter around 4 or 5 days, so in that case, the HRS count will be as 25. So it will basically denote the employee is present on 25 days out of 30. And there is an enhancement in this PCR. So basically, under the no condition, we have write another condition VARV CL to basically check absence class in variable key. And if the absence class is not 0, 1, then in that case, the account will get increased. So basically, if even the employee is on a paid leave, then in that case also the account will get increased. Thank you for watching. Bye.